Tardigrades are microscopic, herbivorous invertebrates that belong to the phylum Tardigrada within the kingdom Animalia. Close relatives of tardigrades are arthropods and nematodes. Tardigrades were first described in 1776 as Il Tardigrado, translating to slow stepper, in reference to their slow, deliberate movements. Tardigrades are commonly known as water bears because of their bear-like appearance with their clawed legs and slow lumbering walk. These tough micro-creatures can survive almost any environmental extreme on the planet. Here's a blip of a song some of you may be familiar with, addressing the indifference of water bears to environmental stressors.
Tardigrade, aka water bear, they can live anywhere. Earth, space, they don't care. No atmospheric pressure, water bear don't care. No oxygen or air, water bear don't care. Solar radiation, water bear don't care. Water bear don't care. Water bear don't care. No atmospheric pressure, water bear don't care. No oxygen or air, water bear don't care. Solar radiation, water bear don't care. Water bear don't care. Water bear don't care. It's crazy how a creature can be so small and be the strongest creature of them all. The bigger they are, the harder they fall, And the tardigrade is less than a millimeter tall. Look anywhere on Earth and you will have no trouble finding them. Water bears survive and thrive in almost all environments. Extremophiles, they don't care about the weather. And water bear don't even care about temperature. Katy Perry, let the truth be told. Water bear don't care if it's hot or cold. What if tardigrades came from another planet, traveling through space, panspermia transit? Crazy idea. Yes, I know, but it'd be nice to know if we're not alone. If they could live over here and they can live over there, then it's possible that there's life somewhere else.
As the song briefly mentioned, water bears are less than half a millimeter in length. Water bears predominantly inhabit water, whether that be a pond or the ocean. They can also live on mosses or lichen. Their body is composed of 5 seemingly indistinct segments, including a cephalic segment and 4 trunk segments. Each segment supports a telescopic pair of legs that either has claws or digits with suction discs. Their bilateral symmetry gives them the appearance of a mini caterpillar. Water bears have a ventral nervous system and a dorsal brain that supports many sensory inputs, including light-sensitive eyes. Water bears eat bacteria, algae, nematodes, rotifers, and each other. They have a complete digestive system with a complex mouth and pharynx structure. Their sexes are separate and their eggs are either laid freely in the environment or released through their shed skin. They have well-developed muscles and are flexible in all directions. Water bears lack both a respiratory and circulatory system, which makes them a unique phylum. They obtain oxygen through their cuticle and gut walls, while circulation occurs via a hemosyl-type body cavity that moves fluid throughout the body with muscular movements. The most unique trait of water bears is cryptobiosis, which is their ability to enter a deep dormancy in response to heat, cold, and humidity. During cryptobiosis, water bears desiccate to about a third of their normal size, making them look like a flake of dust. Cryptobiosis allows them to survive nearly every environmental extreme on this planet. Water bears present a unique opportunity for research because they're easy to work with and their removal from their habitat does little environmental damage. Tardigrades have recently been used as bioindicators of environmental status. For example, significant differences in tardigrade diversity and density from various locations allows researchers to analyze the effects of pollution. Another key feature for research is the physiological process of cryptobiosis. This reversible suspension of metabolism is of interest for applications in medicine, the anti-aging industry, and space travel. Tardigrades contribute to the food web as they make resources available to large feeders by either being consumed themselves or by increasing the activity of microbes in the environment. Water bears are food for mites, springtails, and insect larvae. Grazing animals such as deer, reindeer, cattle, and birds are indirect tardigrades consumers. Water bear biomass represents the transfer of energy to high trophic levels in the food web for many important species. Tardigrades are a component of planetary biodiversity that remains unmeasured, one aspect being that their path in the nutrient cycle is still unquantified. While we know these micrometazoans to be adorable and resilient miniature bears, there is much about these creatures that is yet to be discovered.